It's odd down in the triangle. We're late into the fall, and most of the leaves have come down, but the last few days it got very cold and it rained yesterday, and you're getting these little odd blasts of really bright fall color every once in a while, like that tree right there. Really nice. Just a nice day in general. 61 degrees. A few leaves still wafting down here. Let's take a look at the leaves. Maybe able to just see them wafting down. Kind of a big mud flat down there right now. Usually that's an area where the lake comes in a cove, but it's actually lake's pretty much dry. Not much rain lately, and rain yesterday, but that was only about 1/3 of an inch. It's been dry, and you can see that's all mud flat right now, basically.
Come here, wait. Come on. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a cute boy. He's a cute. You're so cute.